come along using some skin tint and really completing this whole entire look. Just so you know, I do have sensitive skin, and clearly you're seeing my skin being super red right now. That's because I literally just washed my face. I have the most sensitive skin ever. So when it comes to having sensitive skin, I really want to make sure that the product really does not irritate my skin. One, to cover up my redness and my hyperpigmentation. And these products are doing a decent job in my opinion. But the Westman atelier is literally doing exactly what I wanted to do because it hydrates my skin. And you can kind of tell from the one side versus the other. What I think you guys should definitely get into is these really hydrating concealer balms. Made by Mitchell has it and Glossier has it as well. But the Made by Mitchell is way less expensive than the Glossier. But I think they both do a great job at just giving me a nice lifted, hydrated look that blends in with my foundation, especially if it's dewy. And what I kind of come to realize is that if I want to contour my nose, I honestly can just use my foundation and just sweep it across the side of my nose and it looks like a natural contour. So, one thing about skin tints is that you have to set it, and sometimes it doesn't really look the best, especially if it's too dewy, and that's what I was kind of worried about with the Westman atelier. But in actuality, it looks really good. You cannot tell the difference between either side. Either way, I love them both.